Harshit.
And my name is Sia, and our project is the Robotic Eyeglass, and it comes under the area system. And our problem statement is Innovate to develop an effective and integrated healthcare system.
Visual impairment is the powerlessness to see anything, including light. A study by the World Health Organization estimated that the population growth and aging could contribute to the tripling in the number of visually challenged persons.
The biggest challenge faced by the visually challenged is to recognize the surrounding objects and navigate from one place to another place. AI technology is used to solve this problem and help the visually impaired navigate easily. Hence, in our project, we have designed an AI-enabled robotic eyeglass that will help the user to recognize people and objects that are in front of them. To make the AI-enabled robotic eyeglass, we have used machine learning, image processing, and a voice output. Thus, this product will help the visually challenged people to walk independently without anybody's help.
In our project, we've used the Python programming language, and for AI, we have used the TensorFlow and OpenCV for machine learning and image processing. The main components used in our product are the Raspberry Pi camera module and the ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor, which is attached to the Raspberry Pi, will detect the obstacle in front of the user, so that if there's an obstacle within 1 meter, the ultrasonic sensor will detect and alert the person using voice output through an earphone, which is connected to the Raspberry Pi audio and video output port.
Alert obstacle detected. Alert obstacle detected.
All components can be fixed on an eyeglass, so the user can wear the glass and walk around freely without anybody's help or the blind stick. Hence, our product helps in detecting, locating, and tracking an object from an image or a video using image processing. To power the Raspberry Pi, we've used a small power bank that can be kept inside the user's pocket.
In this project, we have used TensorFlow for object detection. We have installed the Python 3.5 and all necessary packages like OpenCV library and TensorFlow on the Raspberry Pi to detect the objects or images. The output, which is predicting the image in TensorFlow, is faster compared to other models. Hence, the camera can detect about many different objects using TensorFlow.
Further, we can make this product very lightweight and compact by using Raspberry Pi 4. We can even use Bluetooth earphones which pair with 2 devices to make it easy for the visually impaired so that they can connect it with both their phone and the glasses. So if the user gets any call, he or she can directly speak using the same earphones. Later on, we will be including a feature which detects the family members and the friends of the user. The user will also be able to train the assisting machine to detect more users using face recognition.
First, we started brainstorming on the problem and got some ideas on how to build the product to make it a smart eyeglass. Then we started designing and building the prototype. We took an eyeglass and discussed where to place the camera module, Raspberry Pi, and the ultrasonic sensor. Then we decided to place the ultrasonic sensor at the center of the glass and Pi camera just below the sensor. Later, we thought of placing the camera on the face mask to avoid any disturbance. We then thought of placing the Raspberry Pi with all connections on the side frame of the eyeglass. Later, we tested with the programming and started running the code with our prototype. Our prototype consists of an eyeglass, Raspberry Pi, ultrasonic sensor, Pi camera, earphone, and a small power bank.